wonder why that kid is doing this.
I'll be going out from live now. Today people are busy. A lot of busy people. I think this playing of a thing you're playing is making driving people away from me.
But we also have a door in
I
front
think
of us.
so.
Oh, and some kind of symbol.
You're right.
Control it.
Side too, but in a different color.
I think we have to work together again. Maybe that symbol is supposed
This
to
week
be
I'll be
here.
posting only hair. No more food.
It looks like it might
This
be a
week will be
picture of the
only
path.
hair.
I'm just guessing.
Hair.
Maybe there's actually a hidden path over this void. And maybe the path matches up with the picture.
I see. Then all we need to do is follow the path in the picture. But then, it's going to be like all the other co-op areas
It's
we've
going
faced so
to
far.
be rent today.
Must be for my side, right?
Oh
Let's see.
no,
I think
it's
your picture
already
starts with the
here.
second block from the left.
Holy
I'll
curse,
give it a
it's
shot. Here we
already.
go.
No, Mikey.
It's going to be rent today.
But why?
Son of God is already here.
Mistake?
Well, I think you got that part right.
Mighty
But
God is
judging from the color,
already
maybe the hint on this
here.
side wasn't meant for you.
It's going
It's
to
red,
be
so it
rent
might be for me.
today.
Let's see. Start on the second block. Hey, it worked.
Oh, wow.
Now to turn right. This way.
Holy Ghost is already
Next,
here.
I'll cross along the
It
side
is
like
going
this.
to be
To
rent
about
today.
here. Then to the left. All right. Now to go straight ahead. All right, I made it.
Wow.
I made it across.
That was amazing, JJ. You're so brave. Now I'll try.
This time,
What is it that's the only two people watch is watching me for a long time?
you can do it.
Something there's something wrong.
I'll move
We need to change this.
here.
Can you change this?
Carefully.
Change this thing. Look for another one I'll watch.
Left here.
Why do you like this?
Because I like it.
Hmm?
Because I like it.
Because you like it.
Yes.
What do you learn from that?
Oh, nice.
What are they saying? What's the topic of that? What's the title?
Another one?
Why do you like this particular one? You enjoy the cartoon or what?
What do I do, JJ?
It is copyright, I think so. That's
No,
all.
not. Just voice.
It's not sharing my life. People are not watching.
That should be the way to go.
People are not
So
watching
this
what
time,
I'm doing.
I guess I should follow the red path that's on the picture in your room, and you should follow the green path that's in the picture in my room. Right, then I'll start on this side.
Oh, wow.
You should follow the green path in my room.
Beautiful,
This way.
marvelous,
This is pretty scary when you can't see the floor.
is thy name.
How are you doing, Mikey? Now to go straight. All right.
Praise is thy name, Almighty.
Nice job.
I made it across.
Let's keep moving so we can
Powerful,
save our families.
marvelous,
Let's go.
thou was the Lamb. Praise is thy name, Almighty, marvelous, marvelous, praise is thy name.
What's in this room? It's a giant open space. Oh, is this a kitchen?
What is this?
No, Mikey.
Oh, JJ. What's the deal with this room?
Your room looks a lot like a village.
Our rooms look completely different.
Yeah, you're right. These rooms are completely different. There's a chest here between the rooms.
Oh, no kidding.
Let's open it up.
You kidding?
There's nothing inside.
Huh?
Is there
You
anything
kidding
else
me?
here?